Thank you so much for this really lovely opportunity. Thank you, Meghna. Thank you, Ajit, for actually coming to I'm sorry, VHub, and actually starting this collaboration. So తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే బెటర్, సో నేను తెలుగులోనే కవర్ చేస్తా. సో VHub అనేది ప్రణీత ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ ఇనిషియేటివ్. దీన్ని మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది మెయిన్లీ ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్. ఇప్పుడు ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్స్ అనగానే మనకు చాలా మందికి ఐడియా ఎట్లుంటుందంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోన్ బి రెస్పెక్ట్ఫుల్లీ ఏదో ఒక కిచెన్ థింగో లేకుంటే పికిల్స్ ఆర్ పాపడాలు లేకపోతే పచ్చళ్ళు చేసుకుంటా సంథింగ్ లైక్ దాట్. ఉమెన్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ అనగానే ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఏదో చిన్నగా స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంది, పోపు డబ్బాల పైసలు పెట్టుకోవడానికి ఒక మైండ్ సెట్ ఉంటుంది. సో VHub స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అందరూ అదే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిర్రు, మేము ఒక సైడ్ ఒక మంచిగా ఒక ముకుడు పెట్టుకొని వంట చేసుకుంటా సంథింగ్ లైక్ దాట్. బట్ వాట్ వీ రియలైజ్డ్ ఇస్ దాట్ ద మెయిన్ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ VHub is change the narrative on women entrepreneurship, and the way to do that is actually walk the talk. So what we started doing is we started scouting for more and more women who are actually doing some really cool stuff. So the unfortunate fact of women entrepreneurship is that there's a wonderful lady who's doing something from home, right? She doesn't have the flexibility to come out of the home. She doesn't have the means to come out of the home, and she's doing something at home. She's actually a homepreneur. But the unfortunate fact is she's treated on the same platform as somebody who's actually creating, some cutting edge deep tech or technology or something like that. So the first thing we did is to make sure that we create different kind of programs which target different kind of women entrepreneurs. So while we were doing this, I get a LinkedIn message from Ajit, who at that point was in a different entity, and we thought we should catch up over an email or some VC or something, but that never happened. But last week, I think on Monday, suddenly I see Ajit in my office because he's now heading AHA. And I'm sorry to say this, but నేను టీవీ ఎక్కువ చూడ, నేను అసలు I don't watch a lot of anything. Only YouTube is the one. When he came and said there is this platform called AHA, I was like, okay, AHA ante entidi ante. He gave me a nice primer about AHA. And the next thing he said is that we always wanted to do something, and we make a lot of shows which are family friendly. We make a lot of shows which have very strong female protagonists. And most importantly, what he said is, what can we do together to make sure that we can get more women entrepreneurs to actually grow and thrive and reach their goals? And that is when this collaboration came about. And through this collaboration, we'll be supporting, thank you AHA, thank you Ajit, and thanks Meghna. Through this collaboration, we'll be supporting close to 5 to 7 women entrepreneurs get some infusion of capital, because ideas can thrive and fly when they have what? They have money, right? So thank you so much AHA for bringing a lot of fuel and propellant kind of thing to our own VHub entrepreneurs, and we are really excited to partner with you. Thank you so much for the generosity. And the second thing I would like to compliment you guys on the AHA team itself is the number of female employees you have, because we talk a lot about diversity and inclusion, and over time it becomes tokenism, right? So when Women's Day rolls around, I mean, it's like Diwali for anybody who wants to show that, we are also into diversity and inclusion. We respect women anangane. It is like a big week of Diwali. Everybody is invited to 30 different events. I personally go to 35 to 40 events. I don't even know. I don't want to do it anymore. But what I noticed with the AHA team is that there's a lot of strong female leaders that you're creating. And I think building this community of female leaders is what is really important to show that, equality is not by talking about it, right? It doesn't happen by talking about it, but creating a balanced environment where, everybody does to the best of their potential and thrives. So thank you so much, AHA, for doing this great work, and we look forward to what we can do together. Thank you.